Make money in 3 steps. Step number 1, pick up your phone. Step number 2, download the app which is free. And step number 3, take your $500 earning in your PayPal or bank account. In this method, no selling, no field marketing, no hard working. It's fast and easy. And the best thing is that entire process is complete in 5 to 10 minutes. And it's not where are you coming from, whether it is USA, UK, Canada, Nigeria, India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh, and any countries in the world. And if you have a simple smartphone, then you can start $500 earning today. Yeah, it's so easy, simple, and fast. But warning, this method gave many tricky things where you can stuck to withdraw your money. So far that why this video till the end, because I will give you some bonus tips and tricks to make more money from this method. So the first app which we are going to use is FOP. The FOP app has billions of photos with high resolution, and in this app have two groups of peoples. One group is looking to buy the different photos and the second group is selling, which we are going to use to make money from this method, from this website. And don't worry, you don't have to click your own photo, you don't need any skill, and you don't need to come up on in front of camera. And I will give you two free website where you can download photos and upload it on FOP to make thousands of money from this website. So here you can see FOP, time to make extra money with your videos and photos. And you can download this app on Apple App Store and Google Play Store. It is available on iOS and Android devices that you can make money from your mobile phone. You don't need any expensive laptop and expensive setup. Yeah, there is simply upload your videos and photos and withdraw your money in cash. But here is the thing that FOP app is going to pay you 50% because 50% take FOP and 50% you take in your bank account. Yeah, because it's company which selling our photos. Take part in creative videos and missions of brand with hundreds of dollars you can earn. Yeah, here you can see these videos is here. BBC News is using this and many other high brands which they are using. So click sign in and here you can sign in with your email and password. So for that we have to register here. So come upon here, click creator and give your email and click sign up. Boom, here you can sign up here simply. Yeah, this is the first website which we will use to make money to sell free images. And the second bonus website which I am giving you is gettyimages.com. Yeah, this website which you will use to make money online to upload simple videos and photos. Yeah, here you can see that here is different photos people are uploading and earning. Yeah, here you can see here is different. You can simply sign on this website. Yeah, click register here and provide the basic details and sign up. Boom, when you sign up you will come upon your dashboard. Yeah, you can upload here images and make $500 to $1,000 per day and per month. It's depend on you which kind of work you are doing. And here you can see that on Fab people are selling simple photo in $10. Yeah, $5 will withdraw in the seller account and $5 will earn flop. This is win-win suggestion. Yeah, and here is a bonus tip which I am going to give you. For that you have to like the video, share the video and comment down which problem you are facing and subscribe to the channel. The first website which I am giving you to download free images is PicWizard, which you use to download high quality free stock images to upload it on Forbes and Getty Images to get paid. Yeah, here you can see that here is different images which you will download and upload it on Forbes and Getty Images. Yeah, whenever you click an images, as we click this image, and here you can edit image for free and download. Yeah, boom, whenever you click here image is downloaded. You can upload it on Forbes and Getty Images for free. It is 100 free to use. Yeah, and this is the first website, and the other website which I am giving you a bonus website which is BreastShopify.com. Yeah, this is 100% free to use to make money from this site. Free stock, photos, websites and commercial use. You can use your photos on your website to earn money to download simply photos. Here you can see this photo has high resolution, so you can download these images and upload it on Forbes and Getty Images. So that's all for today. If you face any problem you can comment down. I will definitely appreciate you and give you answer and give you best solution to make you financially free. So thanks for watching.